SC008 Multifunctional Floor Machine. This is a new design of multifunction cleaning machinery. It is made of vibration motor, vibration plate with Velcro, handles, water tank, aggravating iron and other parts. Different from the rotary brush machine, SC008 cleaner of brush and grinding parts is a straight line with slight vertical movement up and down at the same time, especially for hard ground cleaning, maintenance and renovation stone depth. This is a piece of surface wear and loose luster of marble floors. If you use SC008 multifunction cleaner to maintain it, it can quickly restore its bright, beautiful colors, increasing the weight of 30 kilograms and using red wool pad to clean the ground. Because the machine is reciprocating linear motion, texture in the same direction with ground, floor won't produce brush marks after cleaning. Wash face length is 480 millimeters, more than 350 square meters per hour washing. Grinding and brush tools are soft blocks. It can be pasted and installed quickly, according to the different degree of wear and tear in the ground, and equipped with a set of different roughness of grinding disc, from coarse to fine by grinding and polishing. Every time polishing speed, about 10 to 50 square meters. Then you can obtain a satisfactory effect. Because the machine is reciprocating linear motion, the floor edge part can be thoroughly grinding and polishing. No blind angle. Using clean water, clean the floor and moisture blot on the floor after all polishing. Using white wool pad for grinding castle, increase machine weight up to 45 kilograms. After spraying a layer of KB3 stone crystal hard maintenance agent and at the speed of moving within 0.3 meters per minute polishing, you will obtain an ideal clean floor, cleaning the floor and blotting moisture. Then change into clean white wool pad without water. Increase machine weight up to 30 kilograms after spraying some clean polishing wax, and at the speed of moving within 1 meters per minute polishing, can obtain a more ideal clean floor. It is especially suitable for various steps and floors of cleaning, polishing, wax maintaining, and depth renovating. SC008 Multifunction Cleaner is an effective tool for hard surface cleaning, polishing, maintaining, and renovating.